Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I've got another package from United Bricks. Can't wait to see it. I'll just show you what I've got. So hopefully that'll be in there. And yeah, this is not as much as last time, and the update will be later. Anything else in it? Doesn't look like there is, but as you can see, this is what I've got. Let's see. We got a bunch of helmets and guns and stuff like that. That's cool. They've put like all the Japanese kind of things together. Oh look, we got the Japanese symbol thing, but we got one of their business cards. I'll look after this because I like. This is a really nice business card. This is. Let's put that there. I think I might leave it there actually. So should we open this one? Nah, we'll open this one, the Japanese one. I ordered 6 Ariskas and 6 Type 90 helmets, even though I don't have the parts for them, only because then I can have them in reserve if I need them. I've actually got 7, including the ones up there. So I've got 6 helmets. Where did my other helmet go? Okay, it was right here. And 6 Ariskas with bayonets. That's really cool. Move that to the side. So that's a bit of a Japanese. And then we've got some, it looks like we've got some cool, like, spare kind of, not spare guns, but like, kind of, not protos, but like, the kind of guns. Can't wait to open it. Hey, let's see if I've just got the figure, because as you can see, I've got adrain helmet. Do I have the figure with me? No, I don't. Hey, and I'll just get it quickly. So here's my French soldier. See, this is a custom adrain helmet that I've made. So I'll get a new one in this. So let's see. Oh, this is so cool. This is the good luck flag. I'll definitely put that in my Japanese box. And as you know, the update will be today, so if anyone's watching, you'll see this later. Adrain helmet in sand blue. This is such a nice hat. My first one. Let's go put it on. Oh my god, look at that. That is just an amazing figure. I'll definitely be posting this on Instagram today. Check it out in the link below or in the description. Okay, so let's just put these out. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even order a Type 100 and I got one. In brown. And I also got an M1911 in brown again. Oh my god. And 3 of these and 1 of them. Then okay. So this is the other bag. So let's go with this one. So we got in black a Thompson machine gun, one M19A1 I think it is. M1A1 version 2 is the SMG or Thompson gun, as I know it as. And yeah, we got 3 M1 Grands, because I need to stock up on some more. Didn't order as many as last time. I know I've ordered like 6 of them, but I just wanted to get them because Japanese soldiers, yeah. The Americans I don't mind about. So I've got 2 dark tan M1 steel pots. I didn't get any OD green this time, just because I wanted a different change, and they were in stock. And I got 2 gunmetal ones. And so I've made another US soldier. I'll be painting some later, but let's give him a gunmetal. Oh, look at that, that is really cool. So we're gonna go put him back on the mock. Oh, what was that? I don't know what that was. And you'll be seeing that later. Let's see what kind of freebies we got. We got an M1 A1 SMG in red. This is really cool. We got, I don't know what this gun is, but it's a modern gun, and I love pink. I don't love pink, but I like this colour, which does in pink. And I've got another gun, but I love this kind of colour for pink. It's just a really nice colour, so I'm happy I got another pink kind of gun. We got, I don't know, this is like a rocket in gold, a Type 100 in brown, which I'm really happy about because I was going to order one, but they were out of stock on the United Bricks website, so I could just switch one and make another one. I made, just quickly show you, I made another Japanese soldier recently. I don't have any more like tan parts, so these will just be in reserve, but like he looks really cool like this, and he's shooting, which I will not show you because the update's coming later. And we got another pistol. It's my second time getting one of these because I got one out of a Brookmania thing. I ordered from Brookmania. I got the bug out crate. Not the recent Christmas, the Christmas before, so the 2016 Christmas. And I ordered it, and I got an OD green gun, which I'll just quickly show you. I think these are the same guns. Oh, no, they're not. No, they're not. I'm an idiot. Hang on. They could be. No, they're not the same guns. Okay, I'm an idiot. I'm a literal idiot. Sorry. I thought that was. What? I don't know what this is. I think it's like a modern gun. I'm an idiot. I thought it was a pistol for the Americans, but I guess I could use it. Like, it's not gonna really matter. But yeah, so just put these all together. Just get an overall view. Just sorry, Mr. French soldier. This is my United Bricks haul, and yeah, my United Bricks haul. So thank you for watching another video, guys. I'm gonna make an update later, or I might make an update. No, I won't make. I'll make an update later because I'm gonna see. I've got some more like American soldier parts there, which I need to make the bodies for. So yeah. See you guys later. This Adrian helmet. I don't know if I should make like an American or not American, no, 111 mock. Tell me, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah.